Let's face it, making 100K is not easy. It requires a lot of sacrifices and putting efforts. However, it is all wasteful if all of these efforts are being put or channeled in the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to explain the certain types of mentalities that you'll build along the way towards your path to reach to 100K, which will not only help you build or reach 100K, but also propel you beyond it. Growth mindset was popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck. All growth mindset states is the belief in yourself that your abilities are not inept and that they can be mastered or improved through dedication, persistence, and hard work. Consider Elon Musk, for example. Such is the level of persistence of the guy that he constantly worked for 16 hours a day for 7 years without taking a break on any of a given day. From building Zip2 all the way to SpaceX and Tesla, he's faced many challenges along the way, and in his ability to accept all of the challenges and look at them as learning opportunities is how he adopted his growth mindset, which is how we see him today. Similarly, when you embark on a journey of growth, you will face several challenges, and it is your ability as to how you adapt to all of these challenges and situations is exactly what will define as to how you learn to face tough situations and how you come out on the other end as a successful person. I myself was very complacent before adopting a growth mindset until I did my MBA and faced several challenges that I had never seen before and learned to not just tackle them but tackle tough situations, which is exactly how I 4x'd my net worth post MBA. Long-term thinking is crucial for wealth building. While most people want quick results, true wealth is built over a substantial period of time. Look at Warren Buffett, who's a master of building wealth over a longer term. His approach involved placing bets on companies over a longer duration and extracting substantial returns out of it. Such is the power of compounding that Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. When you invest over a long term, you're not just maximizing your returns, but you're leveraging time to amplify your returns. Besides, studies have shown that people who invest for a longer term outperform the ones who buy and sell frequently. So your patience and persistence pays off. It is no secret that building wealth often involves taking some level of risk, which may involve you leaving your comfort zone and stepping into the dark zone. Richard Branson, for instance, has built well over 40 businesses under the Virgin umbrella group, often going into uncharted territories because of his inept curiosity and the ability to learn, grow, and also master those areas is how he has become successful. Every growth opportunity that we look at carries some level of risk. This could be either starting a business, investing in stocks, or even getting a new job in a different company or applying for a job which is a higher position than the level that you're at. It is your ability to take all of these risks head on, and how you manage these is how you'll end up becoming successful and come out on the other end. When I first started investing in stocks, I was absolutely concerned and scared. I thought I would lose all of my money. But by educating myself, taking risks on some of the stocks and failing, and also succeeding in some of the others, is exactly how I leveraged this opportunity, which opened up the potential for opportunities that I did not even know exist. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with like-minded people who are ambitious, and through leveraging them, it can lead you to opportunities that you never imagined before. These could lead to partnerships, mentorships that can very well help you escalate your growth towards financial success. Knowing all of this video will help you get ahead of 90% of the people. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.